Ever wondered how a giant of steel transforms into a majestic bird of the sky? Let's embark on an extraordinary journey inside the making of an airplane, where human skill, precision, and passion come together. The complete story of building an airplane. Viewers, let's now take you on a journey. A journey where millions of metal parts, thousands of kilometers of wiring, and thousands of workers come together to build the king of the skies. So let's see step by step how this giant comes to life. Keycap 1 Fuselage, Body, the structure of the plane. This is the very first and largest stage. Around 300 workers and 150 engineers work day and night to build the fuselage. It takes 15 to 20 days to complete. Weight, 40 to 50 tons. Millions of rivets are used. For example, a Boeing 747 has about 6 million rivets. Keycap 2 Wings, the arms of flight. After the fuselage, the most crucial step is attaching the wings. Inside each wing, fuel tanks and hydraulic systems are installed. About 200 workers are involved. Time, 10 days. Weight, 25 to 30 tons, both wings. Once the wings are attached, the plane looks ready to fly. But patience. More work remains. Keycap 3 Tail Section, the balancer. This includes the vertical and horizontal stabilizers. Team, 70 engineers and workers. Time, 5 days. Weight, 5 to 8 tons. With the tail in place, the aircraft begins to resemble a giant iron bird. Keycap 4 Engines, the heart of the plane. Each large jet engine weighs 7 to 8 tons. Boeing 777-2 engines, right-pointing arrow 16 tons. Airbus A380-4 engines, right-pointing arrow 32 tons. Team, over 100 specialists. Time, 7 days. This is the most delicate stage, because the engines give the plane its power to move forward. Keycap 5 Landing Gear, the feet of the plane. Number of wheels depends on the aircraft, A380 right-pointing arrow 22 wheels. Each tire weighs 100 to 120 kg. Total weight, 6 to 8 tons. Team, 80 members. Time, 4 days. Now the plane can finally stand on its own, like a child wearing shoes for the first time. Keycap 6 Wiring and Electrical Systems. A large aircraft has 250 to 500 kilometers of wiring. Weight, 1 to 2 tons. Team, over 500 electrical engineers. Time, 30 days. This is the longest and toughest stage. Each wire is like a nerve, carrying electricity throughout the plane. Keycap 7 Cabin Interior, Comfort and Design. Seats, 300 to 400, 15 to 20 kilograms each, right-pointing arrow total 6 to 8 tons. Other facilities, kitchens, toilets, cargo floors, 10 to 12 tons. Total, 15 to 20 tons. Team, 250 members. Time, 20 days. This is the stage where the aircraft starts to feel like a home, with comfy seats, lights, and screens. Testing. Every part is checked. Electrical, hydraulic, fuel, and landing systems are tested repeatedly. Team, 300 specialists. Time, 10 to 15 days. Like a child going through exams, every part must pass the test. Keycap 9 Painting, the final look. The plane enters the paint shop. Time, 7 to 10 days. Paint weight, 300 to 400 kilograms. Team, 100 members. When the airline's colors and logo appear, the aircraft becomes a masterpiece. Keycap 10 Test Flight, the first takeoff. Experienced pilots fly the aircraft for the first time. Tests. Takeoff, landing, altitude, single engine flight, braking system. Time. 1 day. This is the moment when all the workers, engineers, and experts see the fruit of their labor. The Iron Bird soars into the sky. Writing hand conclusion. And so, after 6 to 12 months of effort, millions of parts, thousands of kilometers of wiring, and the dedication of thousands of workers, an aircraft is born. A machine weighing hundreds of tons, yet capable of cutting through the clouds and flying high in the sky. And finally, after months of dedication and countless intricate parts, the Iron Bird spreads its wings and soars into the clouds, a breathtaking reminder of human ingenuity and teamwork. We would love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments how you liked this video.